not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi guys, it's time for another build project, which will be part of my NATO vs Warsaw Pact builds. This time I build the MiG-21 PF, which aircraft is one of my all-time favorites. I chose the 1/100 scale Tamiya kit. This is a relatively old kit, but I have this box only for a few months. This base is not part of the original kit. I added because I want to demonstrate this kit as it flying. By the way, this base was actually a foot of an old couch anno. It is good to reuse items. So, let's build this model kit. You see another reused item. The metal thing on the picture was a bite indicator, but this time it will be part of the stand. I hope it will work better as a stand, because it was a crappy bite indicator. The pilot came from a web plastic art kit. 1/100 scale is an unusual scale for a model kit. I had to improvise something because my MiG-21 can fly without pilot. The base must be very heavy to hold the stand and the kit steady. Airgun bullets are made from lead, so they are ideal modeling weights. I decided to record the last step of the build. Removing the masking tape is like opening a Christmas present. Will I be happy with the result? But of course. Now the intro. Special thanks to Ian, the UK scale modeler, to organize the builds, and also thanks to the group build group. Thank you for watching my video. Please follow my other builds too.